What's up, my YouTubers? It's your boy Skipper Drones, and I'm here with the 58-inch gas boat rebuild. Here's another update. I have got more parts in and put more parts on. Alright, so let's take a look inside. Okay, we're gonna sit that over here. Alright, as you can see, it's about together. We got the motor put back in, put together. We got all the water cooling lines put back together. The tune pipe put back together. We got the servo box, waterproof servo box in. And we got the rudder put it on and back together. So she almost together. A couple more things and we shall be back ready to hit the water. I appreciate all the comments in the last video and there's some real good names. It's kind of hard to choose what name I'm gonna go with, because there's some real good names that I like a lot, but it still is not too late, so you can post. I'm trying to name the boat for those who are new to the video. I'm trying to name this boat, so you guys can leave a comment in the description below of a good name, and I will be choosing a name for the boat on my Maiden sale. So when she hit the water, I will be letting you guys know what name I went with. But yes, as you can see, I got the shaft hooked up. I got the prop on here. Let me get a closer look on the prop. I got the prop hooked up. I got the switch so I won't have to open up the waterproof case, and I got the switch coming right on the outside. I got the throttle hooked up. I got the throttle. See if we can get in here. I got the throttles hooked up, the throttle cable. I got the servos in and tightened down. So let's turn her on. See what we have here. Alright, so let's take a look at the throttle here. Oh yeah, I can't wait to give it full throttle and hold it down. So everything is working nicely. I also got the rudder. See if we can get a good look here. Look at that baby there. That's a big rudder. I had to lube up the shaft real good with the marine grease. Got that all lubed up and nice, ready to go. So yeah, she's coming on along. She's coming on along. See here, if I can I'll listen to her. Oh yeah. Yes, she's about ready. Got the servo functioning. Got the receiver inside the box. So I'm waiting on a few more parts, and she shall be ready to get crunk up. I got the new gas tank. I'm waiting on my crowd locks for the front. I'm gonna drill some holes and put crowd locks on the front, and I'm gonna have crowd locks on the back, and then I'm gonna put some kind of rubber seal around here. That way it can seal tight. So she's almost ready, you guys. So get ready for some speed and excitement. Alright, you guys, I need you to hit that like button for me, and also hit that subscribe button for me. I surely appreciate it. And yes, don't forget to leave in the comment below. I'm still looking for a name for her. Like I said, you guys, the names that you have chosen already, and some of the names I see in the comment, it's hard to choose from. So leave a comment in the description below of a good name. And it's Skipper Drones, and I'm out. You guys have a good day. To the next video.